I guess by now you guys are tired of hearing me say that Tech Scene ZA is evolving and changing. Because you yourself are seeing the changes, with us actually reaching 100 subscribers and changing the layout of our studio a little bit. So if you haven't seen some of our previous changes and upgrades, link is up there in the YouTube cards, you can have a look at that. Like we've done projects where we've built a softbox light that actually lighting the setup at the moment. We've converted our studio to a solar sustaining studio, but I'm not going to talk too much about that. Links up there in the YouTube cards. Go ahead and watch all those videos. So in our recent round of evolution, we've upgraded the most important part of any video making setup, the audio. We've done this through the purchase of a professional studio microphone. It's the BM800 Professional Studio Condenser microphone. So make sure you watch all the way to the end, because maybe at the end you might hear me harmonizing a few notes. Hey guys, if you're new, my name is Prashant and I'm the host of Tech Scene ZA, the coolest tech-related YouTube channel where we do awesome reviews, mind-blowing unboxings, and amazing projects. So consider hitting the subscribe button to see more amazing content. Our microphone was purchased from wish.com and it was ordered towards the 31st of December 2018, and I only took delivery of it on the 25th of February 2019. So that was actually a short delivery time compared to some of the other items that I've purchased from wish.com. And at the moment, today is actually the 1st of April, I'm still actually waiting for one more item. So that's going almost 3 months. And the problem with that is I've thought about starting a series called I Wish, where we purchase items from wish.com and actually have a look at them. And the problem with that is this long waiting period is actually holding me back, because what if I order something, I might never be able to meet the video deadline. But that's totally besides the point. So let's go ahead and get our microphone. So this is our professional BM800 studio microphone, and let's go ahead and have a look at it. So this is the box that we did receive it in, and as you can see, the box only states the professional microphone. So I might have been duped in this, where it was promised to me that this was the BM800, but anyway, that's besides the fact. Let's go ahead and open our box. And the first thing we met with, as usual, is our instructions, and it's in English as well as in Chinese. So I'm not sure if this is Mandarin or Cantonese or something, but hopefully this time we won't be needing it. So it hit me in the back, so maybe we might need it. Okay, so anyway, onto the contents. First thing we met with is a pop filter. So I'll explain how this works a little later when I'm testing the mic, but this actually prevents the harshness of when you high pitches noise, like even when you pop, like that sudden burst of the sound waves. So this prevents that being affecting the mic. So the next thing we met with is a sponge or wind filter. So that goes above the mic and prevents any wind noises. Okay. Then we met with the stand. Okay, so the stand is meant to actually mount to a table. So I'll show you how that works in a bit. So let's leave that there. So we've seen the wind filter. I'm not going to open the pop filter right now. So this is one of the clamps for the mounting bracket, and this is the grip for the mic. Okay, so I'll show that just now. We received as well as a USB sound card to actually power the mic. So if you go, you can connect this to your PC and this would actually power the mic. This is an anti-shock mount. So you can put the mic in it, and if you actually bang the table and stuff that it's mounted to, that noise wouldn't be transferred to the mic. So if you remember in some of our other videos, like the drone video, if you missed that, you can click up there and have a look at that. But in the drone video, I actually kept the box onto the table and the camera picked up that noise. So that actually, the shockproof mount prevents that. So the final two contents of our box is a cable. So it's a 3.5mm to a XLR cable. So XLR is basically a mic fitting. So let's keep that aside. And the last thing we met with is our professional studio microphone in gold. Okay, so let's go ahead to setting this up. To actually setting up the mic setup. First thing, we have to put down our clamp. So this goes on any table. So you can see this is actually quite broad. So that's why you can get quite a broad grip. So our table isn't so broad. So let's attach that, the first thing. So we tighten it from the bottom.
One eternity later.
Okay, that seems tight enough. The next thing is our microphone arm goes into this little hole up here. So we put it in, and as you see, it has 360 degree of turning. So this tiny little piece goes at the back here to actually tighten it and restrict its range of motion. So the next thing that we have to add is the mic holder. Okay, so that's on now. And then we can put the wind filter on our wind filter on our mic, our cable. We open our shock mount. So I must say, they did put this in quite quite stiff plastic. It's actually quite hard to tear. So so I put the wrong fitting on for now. But this can go on and it can hold our mic. So let's hook that up and we can put it in like that. So I'm sure it spreads a little bit. So it doesn't seem that it's meant to fit in here, because it doesn't look like it's fitting. Okay, anyway, that's besides it. So we could use a mic like this, and fun part is that the mic can change positions and all because of the arm. Okay, so let's change this piece here. Let's put the anti-shock mount on. So same thing, because it's on a table, so this actually prevents any bumps and stuff. So say like while we're recording now, and if I were to bump the table, the transfer, this would prevent the transfer of that noise. There we go. And let's disconnect this. Put our mic in. So this one actually looks like it was meant for our mic. And we will connect our mic back up. Okay, there we go. So obviously the mic isn't connected to anything at this point, but it's just for demonstration purposes. And the last thing to open is our pop filter. So that plastic actually opened quite easily. Pop filter looks like it is damaged, but that might just be me. Okay, oh no, it's not damaged. It's just me. Okay, so it clips on to our arm, and we actually can put it in front of it. So I put it the wrong way. Let's loosen it. And okay. So there we go. So that goes in front of our mic. So if I go pop, pop, it doesn't, see, it diffuses the air pressure waves from actually getting the mic. So let's hook this up to the camera and let's do some sound testing. Okay. This is the pop test. Pop, pop. That's without the wind filter. Pop filter. And this is with the pop filter. Pop, 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 pop. So I'm not sure. Pop, pop, pop. So I'm not sure. I can't hear the difference. Obviously, you'll be able to hear the difference at this point. So let's hope that this actually improves our audio quality quite a bit. And it does look slightly professional for us being a professional recording studio. The things we have to talk about is, of course, the quality of the build. This mic is actually built with quite excellent quality materials, and even this arm is absolutely excellent. I'm actually scratching it with my nail, and even with the pop filter and stuff being attached to it, it's not even denting the paintwork and stuff on this. So it is quite an excellent build. So obviously you won't be seeing this mic in front of me all the time. We're going to install it above me or something, and let's hope it improves our audio quality exponentially. So we've improved the audio quality based in the studio. We're actually waiting for delivery of lavalier mics. So those are the little mics that you could hook up to your shirt and be on the move recording. So if you'd like to see a review of that, let me know in the comments below. And I think that's about it. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, get subscribed to see more awesome content from TechSceneZA. In the comments, let me know how cool you think this mic is, and let me know if you have any video ideas. Once again, guys, I'll see you same time, same place next week. I've been working in the TechScene studio all the live long day. I've been working in the TechScene studio just to pass the time away. Can't you hear Prashant shouting, Tash, you look bored? Can't you hear Prashant shouting, Tash, let's go record?